All right, this one, I mean, it has a name. It's the Blacksmith Bridge, but it's really hard to find. There's obviously a reason for that, because, and nobody seems to know about it, but it's super picturesque. Obviously, no one rides this road anymore, and it is a historic bridge built in the 1800s. But it's in the middle of nowhere going across this creek, and the road doesn't go to it anymore, obviously. The road bypasses it, and it's pretty broken down. But it's really, really cool, and here it is. This is the Blacksmith Bridge. Very picturesque.